Desirable characteristics of ULTEM 9085 filament are its high heat and impact resistance, as well as chemical tolerance. Hi, I'm Thomas Whiting, a Stratasys applications engineer. I'm here today to talk to you about ULTEM 9085 resin and ULTEM 9085 resin certified grade. ULTEM 9085 is a PEI or polyetherimide polymer. It's one of two ULTEM resins that you can print on Stratasys FDM printers. Appropriate applications include situations where you need high strength and lightweight, especially if heat resistance is a requirement as well. Tooling is a great application for this material because you can replace heavier metal components. This example is an end-of-arm tool or end effector designed by one of our customers. It's made from black ULTEM 9085 filament and replaced their original metal end effector, which was heavy and bulky. Taking advantage of ULTEM 9085 filament's high strength to weight ratio meant this new end effector could be made much lighter, reducing its weight by about 30 pounds. 3D printing also allowed the addition of internal air channels for vacuum gripping, something that is both difficult and time-consuming to do with traditional manufacturing. These internal air channels eliminated the need for external hoses that were necessary on the previous metal version. Here's an example of an environmental control system duct used in a commercial aircraft. The customer qualified the ULTEM resin material to make flight-worthy parts and 3D printed the duct instead of making it from metal, resulting in a much lighter assembly. The 3D printed design also reduced part count for the entire duct system from 140 parts to just 16, simplifying production and the assembly process. ULTEM 9085 has a high strength to weight ratio, something that is highly desirable in weight-saving applications and industries like aerospace. Its strength at break in the on-edge print orientation is 68 megapascals or 9,870 psi when printing at 10,007-inch layer heights with the standard tip. This material meets several industry standards for flame, smoke, and toxicity. ULTEM 9085 resin certified grade has the same desirable characteristics, except it comes with full traceability documentation, which may be required in regulated industries. It also has met more extensive test criteria. ULTEM 9085 filament comes in black and natural colors and uses its own breakaway support material. It's available on the Fortus 450MC and F900 printers.